The ability to consume data from and coordinate with manufacturing engineers, design engineers, architects, civil engineers, contractors, and others is critical to a successful factory implementation. Each team utilizes different purpose-built software with different file types and formats. This brings with it the need to work with, compare, and review model data from each source in a single environment, saving you time, reducing errors, and improving communication and analytics. Data from sources such as AutoCAD, Inventor, Revit, 3ds Max, Autodesk Design Review, and many others can all be opened in their native format. As a result, any changes made to the original files will propagate automatically to Navisworks. Conduct a clash detection analysis by comparing the different data sets in order to ensure that there are no spatial conflicts. With each conflict identified, you can track the status, provide updates, add notes, and assign each issue to someone for resolution, preventing costly rework later during the construction process. Manage your complete production plan, which can be auto-generated by the models or linked to other sources such as Microsoft projects through the Timeliner tool inside Navisworks. Ensure that all tasks and phases are accounted for on time and on budget. Compare the plan with actual results to find discrepancies through an automated simulation of the construction process, giving you continual feedback throughout all phases of the project. With the quantification workbook, you can log all physical items that are needed in all aspects of the factory plan. The information is pulled directly from the attributes of the model, ensuring a single source of data, not only speeding up the process, but reducing errors and keeping your project on track. Communicate concisely and clearly through the construction process by quickly and easily creating animations. Enhance your ability to coordinate and communicate throughout every phase of construction with all involved parties, and ensure your factory project is on time and on budget with Autodesk Navisworks Manage.